Okay, class, let's move to the second shift theorems. Second shift theorem tell that if you want to Laplace the function that combine between two functions, like say if you have the function of f in terms of t minus a, and then you have another one which is u t minus a, and then you will have the answer is exponent EAS, and then you need to Laplace the function of ft. Okay, so you will get exponent negative AS, and then you will got fs over here. Okay, the most important part here is you need to make sure that your first function having the t minus a as per in function of u. We have t minus a. So this is the most important part, because of when you already put the expression in term this form, you will have your a, and then your a over here can be replaced over here, and then you just have your ft without an a, then you Laplace, then you will got fs. Okay class, let's have one example. If you have your ft function in term of t minus 3 power of 3, and then you have u t minus 3. Okay, look at and compare with the theorem over here. It shows that you will have directly your a. Your a is equal to 3. And then you will have your ft. Your ft, you just exclude the a, and then your ft is t power of 3. From the ft, you will got your fs, which is 3 factorial over s power of 4. So the answer, the complete answer for Laplace for your equation, which is t minus 3 cube ut minus 3, is actually equal to exponent negative as. So your a is 3, so you have a 3s, and then you will have your fs over here, which is 3 factorial equal to 6 and s power of 4. Okay, so you may simplify it. You have 6 over here, exponent negative 3s, and then you will have s power of 4 here. So this is the answer that you find. It's very easy as long as you can put your equation in terms of this form. Alright, okay, let's have another example. If you want to Laplace between t and ut minus 5, by looking at this one, so you will have, this is one terms and this is another terms. However, your function of t over here is not similar with the one in u. So what you need to do is you need to mix the t with minus 5 over here so that it's similar with this one. So how to make it similar? Alright, so you will have t over here, so you just put minus 5 over here so that it's similar with the here, with the u over here, and then since u minus with 5, you need to plus with 5 over here, so this one becomes your t, becomes your ft minus a, and then you will have another one, your u, which is t minus 5. With this, you have of u t minus a. Okay, as I told you previously, from here you will get your a. Your a now is 5, and then your ft over here is exclude this one, so you have t plus 5. So your final answer, in order to Laplace of t u t minus 5, so is actually is the combinations of the exponent negative 5s, and then you will have your fs over here, which is you will have for the t over here 1 over s squared, and here is 5 over s. So you just combine it here, so you will have 1 over s squared plus 5 over s. So this is the answer for this equation. Alright, okay, so now let's proceed to another example. Okay, so let's say you have exponent t minus 2, and then you have t minus 4. Okay, look at here. So this is your t minus a. So you need to make sure that your function of here also in terms of t minus a. However, here is t minus 2. So how to make it this one as a t minus a? So here you can determine your a is minus 4. So in here, you will have t minus 4. How come it's t minus 4 over here? So it's actually t minus 4 over here because of t minus 2 and minus 2. And you need to plus with 2. Okay, so how to make it this one? So you will have this one t minus 4, and then you need to plus with 2, so that the overall over here is actually similar with this one. You are not make it the new terms, but you just modify to have the similar meaning. So here you will have t minus 4. Okay, so now you already have your a. Your a is 4, and then what is your ft? Your ft is the t without the a. So you will have your ft is exponent t plus 2. Alright. Okay, using the properties of the exponent, so exponent t plus 2 is actually exponent 2 and exponent t. So here is a constant. So you will have the answer, and then before that you need to find the fs. So your fs here is the exponent t over here is 1 over s minus 1. Okay, so now you combine together. When you want to Laplace the function of exponent t minus 2 ut minus 4, so the answer is exponent you have over here is negative 4s, and then you have here negative 2, and then you will have 1 over s minus 1. Alright. Okay, so this one you may combine, you will get exponent negative 4s plus 2, and then you will have 1 over s minus 1. Or you will have exponent negative 4s plus 2 over s minus 1.